Welcome to Green Power and Energy Conservation Division of Mitcon. Our mission is to reduce energy costs of our clients as well as optimize their energy mix. We cater to a large segments, industrial, commercial, and even public and utility buildings. Energy conservation starts from energy audit at your plant and help you identify the areas where you can save energy, help you in implementation and monitoring, and ensure that you reduce your energy costs. During the monitoring period, we also help you in engineering the identified areas for energy conservation and equipment to help you even get the loans as well as implement the projects as your owner, engineer, and consultant, and ensure that whatever the recommendations were made, those are realized in practice. As far as green power is concerned, we provide a variety of services right from pre-investment, pre-contract, and post-contract engineering. In the pre-investment, we provide a range of services starting from feasibility report, detailed project reports, then lender independent engineers reports. Then we also act as consultant to the bankers and we provide techno-economic viability studies. We also help the customers to get the loan sanctioned from the banks as well as provide many other services related to NOCs and approvals, because all these projects require a number of NOCs and approvals from various state and central government agencies. Green Power Division will cater to a large section of industries starting from sugar, ethanol, paper, cement, chemical, and a host of other commercial and public commercial buildings, host of commercial complexes like hotels, hospitals, malls, and so many. In the pre-contract engineering services, we provide basic engineering and layout, preparation of detailed technical specifications and tender documents, tendering, bidding and bid evaluation, and recommendation of EPC or package contracts. Based on these, we also prepare drafts of letter of intents and contracts which our customers should enter into the select suppliers for EPC or equipment packages. In the post-contract engineering and monitoring services, we provide a range of services including kick-off meetings with the appointed vendors and civil contractors, then vendor drawing review and approval. In fact, we also inspect critical equipment before or during the manufacturing process, and then we also help them expedite the project and commission as per the commissioning schedules. Then we provide the services for performance assessment post commissioning of each equipment or EPC package and help them to see that the performance parameters are achieved as per the targets or as per the contracts. In the post commissioning period also, we help them in identifying the areas where they can improve and they can meet the commissioning or the performance parameters and also improve the operations. This is called as concept to commissioning services as owner, engineer and consultant for a number of sugar plants, cogeneration power plants in sugar industries, ethanol plants, cogeneration or captive power plants in paper, cement, waste heat recovery plants in cement, chemical, dairies and so on. If I take a view of the services provided in this by Green Power and Energy Conservation Division, in fact, this division started its roots in 1987-88 when the first energy audit was conducted by Mitcon for a company called Kolhapur Steels, which is a secondary steel product industry in Kolhapur in Maharashtra. From there, as on date, we have completed more than 850 very successful energy audit assignments and have assisted implementation of the recommendations to these customers. This has really helped them save their energy cost to the extent of 15 to 25% in some cases. As far as the green power section is concerned, we handle decentralized cogeneration captive power plants, waste to energy plants, renewable and fossil fuel both fired power plants. And as on date, we have provided pre-investment services to more than 2,000 projects. We have commissioned more than 95 plants with 1100 megawatt installed capacity and more than 6,000 crores Indian rupees investment. As far as energy conservation is concerned, we have been empaneled in Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Petroleum Conservation Research Association, and all the major state energy development agencies as empaneled consultant. As far as green power is concerned, Mitcon is empaneled almost on all banks as pre-investment and LI consultants, where our detailed project reports are accepted by these banks, and we also become as a lender engineer for those banks during the implementation of the projects. We have received a large number of accreditations and achievements we have made, and we have got a number of recognitions and awards for energy conservation as well as for green power projects. Shortly, our services will help them to review their existing energy consumption, their energy cost, make them change their mix and have a long-term and sustainable energy efficiency improvement with energy conservation and energy cost reduction with captive and cogeneration power plants. If I have to cite one or two examples, some of the energy conservation projects like United Phosphorus in Ankleshwar, they have 7 or 8 plants in one complex where we have been able to reduce their energy cost to the extent of 35 to 40% after the implementation of the recommendations and assisting them in performance monitoring. As far as green power is concerned, we have recently commissioned one of the biggest project, 7,500 tons per day capacity new sugar plant and 30 megawatt cogeneration power plant at Sangamner Bhag Sahkari Sugar Factory near Sangamner in Maharashtra. As far as our coverage is concerned, we are providing services pan-India, Maharashtra, Karnataka, UP, Chandigarh, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, all over India and Gujarat. As well as we have been providing services to a number of clients in the international market, particularly in the African countries like Kenya, Uganda and Comoros. Recently, we have been awarded a very big contract from Saudi Arabia, from Saudi Energy Efficiency Center, where we are responsible for undertaking walkthrough energy audits for 60 plants, 6 detailed energy audits for selected plants in each sector, and also preparation of 6 sector reports and their dissemination to the industry. Mitcon's Green Power and Energy Conservation Division has a great future and in the national as well as international markets, and we have been geared up for the taking on the challenges. We have excellent pool of in-house consultants, which we call them as strategic business unit heads, as well as we hire a number of experts to cater to these services. I welcome you to come to Green Power and Energy Conservation Division to help you reduce your energy cost and optimize your energy mix. Thank you.